Hello. Today I'm gonna do a little unboxing of some of the BT21 makeup I got. I know this is really old, but I really wanted to try it, so I bought some of it. Okay, let's start with the eyeshadow palette. I've heard a lot of reviews saying it was cute, but it was like really cheaply made. I don't know about you, but I always want to look at things myself before criticizing them. I heard the formula wasn't that bad in this color, so I ordered this. First of all, packaging A+. I love this. I don't buy a lot of makeup, but when I do, I love it. Okay, yeah, it looks like a little plastic thingy. And I see why people will be really mad, considering BT is a huge cosmetics company in Korea. It looks like children's makeup, but I'm not here to criticize, I'm here to see. Okay, first thing off, I love the colors. It's a lot of pinks, it's perfect. And I also see a little brush, but I don't think I'll be using that because I don't like that kind of brush. Really cute. I'll do a swatch, but my arms are really red at the moment. I'll do I'll get ready with me with this eventually, but right now I can't. Okay, that's really cute. Next item. I got the lipstick in Koya. I don't remember the colors, but we're going to, I think it's almost like a really nice pink. I actually can't remember. Okay. Again, packaging is really cute. We got a little Koya here. Okay, so Koya's a red. It's a really deep red. I kind of like it. I think I'm gonna have to look for a way to use it, but it's really cute. I remember I had problems ordering because they were out of stock of almost everything, and even after I ordered, they sold out of the one that I initially placed. So they did send me asking me if they could send another one. I said yes. We got here Tata and Koya lip lacquers. My dogs are outside. Oh shit, this is actually kind of difficult. The packaging is really cute, but I will need to try them again. I can't try them at the moment, but I will do it soon. Okay, this is Koya. How do you open this? Okay, it's not the head. Okay, it's this. Okay, again, Koya is a really cute red. I actually love that. I hate it when it's like, I don't know how to say it, like lopsided, like the little brush is lopsided. I don't like that, but it's okay. And we got that. 1 second, if this is going to be the same. 1 second. I really wanted to order like the highlighters and setting powders, but they didn't have any left in stock, and I think I'm not wide enough for those. Okay, so that is more like an orange. Actually, that's adorable. I love this. Okay, so I think that was it. Well, that is it. Thank you for watching, and yeah, well, enjoy. Bye.